Do you need cash to build an additional rental unit in your current home? If you're planning to build additional rental units on your property to get extra income, this CMHC program could be for you because it uses your property's future value to help you secure the funding today. Here's the key difference. You can borrow up to 90% of your home's future value after the renovation. That means big borrowing power based on what the property will be worth, up to $2 million in future value. How do you qualify? You need to own the home and live there, or have close family living in a unit. Lenders will check your credit and they'll verify you have enough income to handle the new payments. But remember, the money you get is strictly for building that suite. That means materials, labor, permits, that's the focus. And how does the cash actually flow? Well, you don't get it all up front. Instead, the funds are released in stages as you build. There are construction milestones that need to be met, and right after they're met, more funds are released to you. This keeps the project moving forward smoothly. So, what's the real advantage here? Well, this program lets you fund your renovations by tapping into tomorrow's value today. You get to create that potential income stream and significantly increase your property's value. Now, getting approved using future value involves specific steps with CMHC and the lenders. I specialize in guiding homeowners through this exact program to secure their funding. I help make these projects happen. Want to see if this program can work for your home? Book a free one-on-one consultation with me by using the calendar link in the description below, or call 416-577-3504. I'm Alexander Gasenko, your trusted Canadian mortgage broker. Until next time.